family spends a sunny afternoon together in the garden. Everything goes well until their little girl accidentally burns herself with fryer oil. She suffers severe burns, and her parents take her to the hospital. Unfortunately, due to the young girl's allergies, the existing treatments cannot be used on her. Enter family friend Philippe Solly, a pharmacist.
Hi, I'm Philippe Solly. Realizing how distressed the parents were, I decided to look for ways to help the little girl. So I developed Flamigel, a wound care product for burns and for minor wounds that supports faster healing and reduces the likelihood of scarring. And very soon, Flamigel earns the trust of doctors and nurses. So I kept on researching. And by talking to clinicians, I developed Flaminal, an innovative product for treating acute and chronic wounds. Flaminal contains an antimicrobial patented enzyme system that, contrary to antiseptics or topical antibiotics, kills bacteria, but without that typical collateral damage of toxicity to skin cells or development of antimicrobial resistance. And clinical studies have shown that Flaminal heals dermal burns up to 30% faster, and chronic wounds close even 3 times as fast. Both Flamigel and Flaminal are safe and easy to use.
What once started as a solution for one little girl can now help millions of people around the world. Live the life you love.